Hello guys, this is Suyash Goyal signing in. I hope you all are doing very well. I welcome you all in this session in which we are going to talk about linear equations in two variables. The subject is mathematics and this is the lesson number one that we are having on Unacademy YouTube channel for 9th and 10th. And as you can see here, what we're going to do guys, we are going to talk about linear equations in two variables, and we will be understanding that how to plot any linear equation in two variables on your xy plane. So when I'm talking about xy plane, what are the points that I need to keep in our mind whenever I'm plotting any linear equation in two variable, whenever I'm talking about linear equation in two variables? So how to start all that discussion, how to drive that discussion, how to take it forward, everything we will be discussing over here in this particular session. So quickly guys, come on everyone, tell me how many of you are there. Can you hear me, everyone out there? A very good afternoon to all of you guys. Can you hear me, everyone who are there? Hello Kashish, how are you? Hello Vedant, hello Archie, very good afternoon to you. Hello Krupa. Okay, you are Khushali from 9th State Board. That's good. Hello, Parul Sharma. How are you? Okay, guys. So we're going to begin with this. But before that, let me tell you about myself and about Unacademy for the start, for the initial 5 minutes. Talking about myself, guys, my name is Suyash Goyal. As you can see over here, I have more than 95,000 followers on Unacademy. And I've been teaching mathematics to class 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th on Unacademy. Here is my referral code guys that you all can see, SG08. This is my referral code. You all can use this code to subscribe to Unacademy Plus, and if you do that you will be able to get flat 10% discount on your subscription charges. Now all the students who have no idea about what Unacademy Plus is, what is Unacademy Plus, why do we have it, and sir कैसे कर सकते हैं, क्या होता है इससे, let me tell you guys. So this is a YouTube class that we are into right now. We have so few YouTube sessions, very few YouTube sessions we have in a particular month. But when we are talking about Unacademy Plus guys, on Unacademy Plus we have sessions every day. Okay, so every day we have classes on Unacademy Plus. Apart from that, the classes are live, just like this YouTube session. All the classes are live, and the classes are for all the subjects. Okay, all the subjects are covered. I mean, you have the class for English, Hindi, math, science, social science, SST, everything will be covered. Apart from that, you have weekly quizzes on whatever you are learning. Just a minute guys. Okay, apart from that guys, that's very good Krupa. Apart from that, we have doubt solving live classes as well, in which you can clear your doubt live in the class if you have any related to any topic or the topic that we are discussing in the class. Practice questions होते हैं guys, live practice questions होते हैं जिनको practice करते हैं. इसके अलावा we have the test series as well. तो ये सारी चीज़ें हमारे पास Unacademy Plus पर available होते हैं. उसके अलावा if you see how many batches are we having on Unacademy Plus right now, you can see these are all the educators that you can see over here जो कि Unacademy Plus पर है. आपको शायद कुछ part नहीं दिख रहा होगा, but this is all what we have on Unacademy Plus. If कुछ पर्टिकुलर चीज़ों की मैं बात करूँ, so full syllabus batch for boards 2021 is there. So in this particular batch what we do is every day we have a class, and continuous classes are there from Monday to Thursday, and we cover one topic. एक एक करके हम लोग सारे topic cover करेंगे, and we are gonna finish the syllabus, the entire syllabus by December 2020. ठीक है, and ये सिर्फ एक subject के लिए नहीं है, this is for every subject. Every subject will be covered in that batch course, so we have a different slot for every subject that we do. Apart from that, क्योंकि half yearly exam आने वाले हैं, so we have half yearly examination batches as well, जिससे कि आप particularly उसी की तैयारी कर सको. ठीक है, NCERT books are important, so we have separate batches in which NCERT mathematics is covered. ठीक है, all language grammar batches are available, and इसके साथ साथ ये जितने भी batches मैंने आपसे बात करे, all these batches are available in Hindi as well and in English as well, in both the languages. So if you are comfortable with Hindi, very good. If you are comfortable with English, very good. Got it? Apart from that guys, these are the courses, the batches which are about to appear. So full syllabus batch once again will be here. Half yearly examination crash course soon will be there. complete NCERT science batch, social science batch and previous year question batch will also be soon there. Okay, तो ये सारी चीज़ें भी बहुत जल्दी स्टार्ट होने वाले हैं, इनके बैचेस भी बहुत जल्दी अनअकैडमी पर स्टार्ट होने वाले हैं. So if any one of you who is planning to take up the subscription, you can take the subscription by using the code SG08. And now one thing which is very 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 important, तो आप में से वो सब जिनके पास सब्सक्रिप्शन है या वो स्टूडेंट जिसके पास सब्सक्रिप्शन नहीं है, ये उन सब के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Now guys, we have introduced new subscription plans. Talking about these new subscription plans, what we have, so starting from the 1 month subscription, you can have 6 month, 12 month, for 24 months or 36 month or 48 month subscription as well. अब आप चाहो तो 9 से 12 तक का सब्सक्रिप्शन एक साथ में ले सकते हो, 10 से 12 तक का एक साथ में ले सकते हो. दिस इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबल. एंड अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग, अब क्या है कि अगर मान लो लेट्स अज्यूम गाइस कि आपने क्या करा, आपने 9th का सब्सक्रिप्शन लिया 6 मंथ का. कूल, आपने 6 मंथ्स के लिए 9th का सब्सक्रिप्शन लिया. नाउ गाइस, इन दीज 6 मंथ्स, ये 6 महीने में 9th के साथ साथ you will be able to access all the videos of 10th as well, 11th as well and 12th as well. You getting my point? Which means if you have any brother or sister who is, let's say, in 10th and you are in 9th, so you both need to take only one subscription. If you take the subscription for class 9th for 6 months, in this same subscription आप 10th के भी सारे lecture उन 6 महीने के लिए attend कर सकते हो. इन दिस सेम सब्सक्रिप्शन आप 11th के भी सारे लेक्चर 6 महीने के लिए अटेंड कर सकते हो, और इन दिस सेम सब्सक्रिप्शन आप 12th के भी सारे लेक्चर 6 महीने के लिए अटेंड कर सकते हो. इज दैट क्लियर टू एवरीवन और नॉट? यू गॉट दिस? तो ये एक और नई चीज़ है जो हमारे अनअकैडमी में स्टार्ट हुआ है. वी हैव न्यू सब्सक्रिप्शन प्लान्स इन विच यू गेट द एक्सेस टू live classes of what of all the classes for 10th 11th 12th and that too for free. Clear, right? तो ये हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव है गाइस नया. Now you can use my code SG08 and वो करके आपको इन वाले सब्सक्रिप्शन चार्जेस पर भी 10% का डिस्काउंट और मिल सकता है. Cool, got it? How to get your K12 subscription guys? It's a very simple process. बच्चा देखो, अगर क्या करना है आपको, you just need to download Unacademy learning app from Play Store. Then you just need to go to manage goals. वहाँ पे manage goals में जाके आपको अपनी कैटेगरी सेलेक्ट करनी है, CBSE class 10th, class 9th, class 11th और class 12th. Once you are done with that, you need to click on this get subscription. एक बार आपने get subscription में क्लिक करा तो you will be redirected to all these plans. इसमें से कोई भी प्लान आपको यूज करना है, and once you click on any plan, let's say 1 month, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months, 48 months, after that you just need to put the referral code over here. यहाँ पे आपको कोड डालना है SG08. Once you put the code SG08, automatically there will be a 10% discount. आपको discounted price यहाँ पर show होगा. That is, अगर ये 10,000 है तो आपको 9,000 final price show होगा, and then you can go ahead with the payment and you will be having a subscription. Cool guys? So this is the entire process. This is how you can get your K12 subscription, and I hope that you all are clear with this. Everyone got this? Everyone clear with this till here? Okay. Now it's time to guys put our thinking caps on and it's time to crack it. So everyone out there guys, please tell me, are you all ready for this discussion or not? Everyone, come on, tell me, are you all ready for this discussion or not? Everyone guys, shall we begin with our session? Everyone, Krupa, Archie, Parul, everyone, Vedant, Kashish, everyone, tell me guys, shall we start with this now? ओके गाइस, सो हियर वी गो, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद आवर डिस्कशन. सबसे पहले बात करते हैं हम लोग बहुत बेसिक चीज़ों की, एंड दैट बेसिक थिंग इज व्हाट इज योर लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल. ठीक है, सबसे पहली चीज़ आती है व्हाट इज योर लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल. हेलो प्रथमेश, हाउ आर यू? वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून टू यू पीयूष पांडे. हियर वी गो गाइस, सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल. देखो गाइस, वेरी सिंपल थिंग, व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट वन वेरिएबल, व्हाट इज माय वेरिएबल? So when I'm talking about variable guys, it's a very simple कहानी. My variables are जिसकी वैल्यू मुझे पता नहीं होती. For example, x is my variable, y is my variable, z is my variable. Correct? Got it? ये तीन हम लोग जनरली लेते हैं. अब आते हैं दूसरी चीज पर. What is linear equation guys? What is linear? What is quadratic? एंड व्हाट इज क्यूबिक? तो देखो होता क्या है कि जब भी मैं कोई भी इक्वेशन लिख रहा हूं, सो लेट्स से इफ आई एम राइटिंग एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स प्लस 2, कैन यू टेल मी दिस इक्वेशन इज व्हाट? दिस इज लीनियर, क्वाड्रेटिक और क्यूबिक? You will say sir this is quadratic. Okay, most of you knows this. आप में से ज़्यादातर लोगों को ये पता होगा this is quadratic. Why this is quadratic? Because I will only look on the variable. X वेरिएबल है मेरे पास और मैं उस वेरिएबल की पावर को देखूंगा. यहाँ पर पावर 2 है और यहाँ पर पावर 1 है, राइट? क्लियर? तो जो भी मेरे पास वेरिएबल की हाईएस्ट पावर होती है किसी भी एक्सप्रेशन के अंदर, किसी भी पॉलिनोमियल के अंदर, जो भी मेरे पास वेरिएबल की हाईएस्ट पावर होती है, वही पावर उस एक्सप्रेशन की क्या कहलाती है? डिग्री कहलाती है. एम आई क्लियर? जो भी मेरे पास एक गिवन एक्सप्रेशन की हाईएस्ट पावर होती है किसी भी वेरिएबल की, वही हाईएस्ट पावर क्या कहलाती है? वही हाईएस्ट पावर को मैं बोलता हूं डिग्री. Okay, so if you see over here, the degree of this expression is 2 because the highest power is 2. Am I clear with this or not, guys? Everyone, come on, tell me you got it. Similarly, guys, if I ask you what is the degree of this, can you tell me the degree of this? What is the degree of this equation? Who will tell me the answer? Come on, guys, tell me what is the degree of this equation? Come on, guys, quickly. I just want to have a conversation with you. Okay, so the session will be conversational. ऐसा नहीं है कि only I will be speaking. We will be having a discussion. Everyone, what is the degree? Very good. So, as you are saying, the degree is 1. Why the degree is 1? Because if you see, I have x to the power 1, and because the highest power of variable involved in this expression is 1, so the degree of this expression is 1. जिस भी एक्सप्रेशन की डिग्री 1 होती है उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं लीनियर एक्सप्रेशन और लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल और लीनियर इक्वेशन. एम आई क्लियर? यू गॉट द पॉइंट, गाइस? एवरीवन क्लियर व्हाट इज लीनियर इक्वेशन? नो. दूसरी चीज, इफ आई आस्क यू दिस थिंग, गाइस, कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज द डिग्री ऑफ दिस? व्हाट इज द डिग्री ऑफ दिस एक्सप्रेशन? So Niranjana says 0, Archie says 3. What about others? Everyone, come on, respond. So actually, guys, the degree, Krupa says 3, the degree of this polynomial is 0. यहीं पे आपको समझना है. देखो, लॉजिक्स और कंसेप्ट दो बहुत जरूरी चीजें हैं. अगर वहां कंफ्यूज होगे तो क्वेश्चन गलत करोगे कहीं ना कहीं. If you focus over here, guys, what I told you that the highest power of what? The highest power of any variable in the expression is known as degree of that expression. Correct? Now if you focus, यहाँ पे वेरिएबल दिख रहा है आपको कोई? I am having 2 to the power 3, that is a constant, and I am having 5, that is also a constant, which means there is no variable. When there is no variable, guys, so always remember, जब भी मेरे पास सिर्फ constant है तो उसकी डिग्री हमेशा क्या होती है? उसकी डिग्री हमेशा 0 होगी. Why? Because, guys, this 2 to the power 3 is the power of constant, and I do not say that the power of constant is degree. The power of variable is degree. This is important. The highest power of variable, it should be the power of variable, not the constant, right? तो इस 2 to the power 3 plus 5 को मैं लिख सकता हूँ 2 to the power 3 plus 5, और इन दोनों में से किसी के भी साथ में, दोनों के साथ x to the power 0 लगा सकता हूँ. yes or no? Because x to the power 0 is what? x to the power 0 is 1. तो मैं दोनों के साथ x to the power 0 लगा सकता हूँ. That does not make any sense. और यहाँ पर अगर आप देखोगे अब तो x की हाईएस्ट पावर क्या है? x की हाईएस्ट पावर 0 है. That is why the degree of this polynomial or this equation is 0. Are we clear with this or not? Everyone got this? सबको ये बात समझ में आती है या नहीं? Are we clear? Got this? Everyone clear with this? Everyone clear till here? Right? That's how we can talk about it. That is why the degree is 0. Similarly, if I ask you, what is the degree of 5 to the power 5? Again you can see it is a constant term, so the degree of this constant term will be what? The degree of this constant term will be 0. Am I clear? You got the point? Correct? So that is how we can talk about, guys. Always remember, always and always and always remember that whenever you will be having what? Whenever you will be having any constant polynomial, the degree of every constant polynomial is what? The degree of every constant polynomial is 0. Everyone clear with this now? Clear Archie, clear Krupa, everyone got it? Right? Very good, guys. Now, okay, now let me ask you one more thing. Let me ask you one more question and then we will be good to go. दूसरा क्वेश्चन मेरा ये है guys, what is the difference between equation and polynomial? You need to tell me what is the difference between equation and polynomial. Tell me, who will tell me this thing? I'm waiting for your answer. Because this is very important. This is actually very important. Because whenever we are talking about equation and polynomial, we never talk about the transition. हमने कभी transition की बात ही नहीं करी कि जब मैं polynomial से equation में move कर रहा हूँ तो अंतर कहाँ आया? When can I say that the given expression is polynomial and when can I say that the given expression is equation? या फिर मैं ऐसे बोलूँ कि हर एक polynomial equation है और हर एक equation polynomial है. What is true? I mean, what is the relationship or what is the difference between equation and polynomial? क्या होता है अंतर? Similarity क्या है या फिर difference क्या है? That's what my question is. Are you gonna answer me, guys? I mean, if you think anything, come on, tell me, everyone. Whatever comes to your mind. See, we are here to learn, right? So कुछ भी आपके दिमाग में आ रहा है बोलो मेरे को कि सर ये अंतर होता है या सर ये सिमिलरिटी होता है. Tell me, everyone. Krupa says polynomial does not have degree. No, Krupa, you are wrong. Polynomial actually has a degree. If I give you any example, so if I'm saying x cube plus x square plus 2, this is, let's say, my polynomial. This is having a degree that is equal to 3. So you cannot say polynomial does not have a degree. Polynomial has a degree and equation also has a degree. Tell me. Anyone else, anything you are thinking, guys? Okay, understand. So what is the basic difference between polynomial and equation is this. If I'm talking about p of x is x cube plus x square plus 2, this is my polynomial, correct? And if I'm talking about x cube plus x square plus 2 equal to 0 या फिर x cube plus x square plus 2 equal to -1, then these are my equations. This is the difference between polynomial and equation. So this is very, very, very important, guys, and you should be clear about the difference between polynomial and equation. Now if you see, from this polynomial you do not have anything on the right hand side. आपके पास एक ही side है बस, आपके पास दूसरा side नहीं है, which means यहाँ से आप कुछ भी solve नहीं कर सकते. You cannot solve, you cannot find out the value of x. But when I'm talking about these two kahanis, so here I am having this equal to 0 or this equal to -1. So from here you can find out the value of your x, right? You can solve it, right? From here you can solve it. So always remember, equation has a left hand side and right hand side both, so that you can solve the equation, right? But polynomial does not have both the sides and you can only represent the polynomial, you cannot solve the polynomial. Are we clear with this, guys? You got it? Everyone clear? Everyone got this or not? Please tell me. तो जहां पर भी आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो, आपके पास लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड दोनों है, दैट इज व्हाट वी कॉल इक्वेशन. और जहां पे आपके पास सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक ही साइड गिवन है, दैट इज व्हाट वी कॉल polynomial. Are we clear with this or not, guys? Everyone, come on, tell me. You got the point? Everyone clear till here? सबको ये बात समझ में आता है अभी तक जो मैंने बोला आपको? Clear, guys? Okay, very good. So now let's move forward, guys. Let's talk about the next kahani. Now, if I'm talking about next kahani, guys, the next kahani is this. जब मैं बात कर रहा हूँ किसकी, जब मैं बात कर रहा हूँ linear equation in two variable, जो हमारा topic है linear equation in two variable, you need to understand one thing, that linear equation in two variable will be, I will be talking about two variables x and y, and because it is linear, which means what? Which means degree will be 1. So linear equation in two variables से मुझे ये समझ में आता है. Now, for example, 2x plus 3y equal to 1. If I am talking about this question, guys, अगर मैं इसकी बात करूँ 2x plus 3y equal to 1. Now you need to understand one thing over here, that the degree of x is 1, the power of x is 1, the power of y is 1, which means the highest power associated with any variable, the highest power associated with any variable in this linear equation is what? It is 1. That is why what I will say, that is why I will say that the degree of this polynomial of this equation is what? Degree of this equation is 1. Correct? Secondly, you can see you are having x and y, so you are having two variables present over here. That is why what you will say that this is your linear equation, correct, but this is your linear equation in two variables. How many of you got this? Are we clear with this or not, guys? Come on, tell me. This is linear equation in two variables, yes or no? Everyone clear or not clear? Please tell me. You got it? तो गाइस एक बात हमें समझनी पड़ेगी, एंड वो बात कुछ ऐसी है कि जब भी मैं जनरल इक्वेशन की बात करूंगा, जनरल रिप्रेजेंटेशन की बात करूंगा, ओके, तो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर that the general representation of your any linear equation in two variable is this. This is your general representation, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the general representation of what? This is the general representation of any linear equation. Any linear equation in two variables that you are having, any linear equation in two variables that you are having can be represented in ax plus by plus c. ओके, हर एक लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स को हम लोग ax plus by plus c के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं, वेयर a b and c are what? Where a b and c are any constant. A b and c could be any constant. Clear? For example, if I give you an example, guys, so here you can see I have 2x plus 5y minus plus 2 is equal to 0. Now if you compare both of these equations, you can see here you have ax, here you have 2x, which means your a is equal to 2, correct? Here you have by, here you have 5y, which means your b is equal to 5, correct? Here you have c and here you have 2, which means your c is 2. Are we clear with this? Got it? But I never write it in this way. मैं कभी भी इसको ऐसे नहीं लिखता, because the point is that, guys, whenever you are comparing any linear equation into variable with your general equation, always take the value of a, b and c with sign. I repeat, always take the value of a, b and c with sign. Okay, यानी कि correct representation मेरे according होगा that your a is what? A is plus 2, your b is what? Your b is plus 5, and your c is what? Your c is plus 2. How many of you got this? Please tell me. Are we clear with this or not? Everyone got this? Krupa, Archie, everyone clear or not, guys? Come on, tell me. Niranjan, are you clear with this? Prathamesh, clear. Everyone. Vedant, Kashish, everyone clear, guys? Yes or no? Please tell me. Everyone got this clear? Correct? Sorted? Let's move forward. Now, guys, if you take any other example, okay? So what I'm telling you is this, that every time you will be representing your equation as ax plus by plus c equal to 0. यानी कि your right hand side should be what? Can you tell me? If you see, your right hand side over here is what? Your right hand side over here is 0, yes or no? Are we clear with this? You getting my point? Your right hand side over here is 0, yes or no? Correct? Can you see this? Right? which means whenever I will be talking about linear equation in two variables, every time your right hand side will be 0. Clear? Everyone got this? Okay, so let's move forward. Now guys, let's say if I take any example, for example, I'm having 7x plus 3y equal to 4. This is what I'm having. So let's say this is what I'm having, 7x plus 3y equal to 4. Now, when I'm talking about 7x plus 3y equal to 4, before comparing this 7x plus 3y equal to 4 with your ax plus by plus c equal to 0, you will have to get this equation in this form. सबसे पहले आपको इसका form change करना पड़ेगा from this to this. If you see general equation में I have my right hand side equal to 0, yes or no? In general equation, what we have? In general equation, we have our right hand side equal to 0. Yes or no, guys? Come on, tell me. Got it? Similarly, in this equation as well, I will have to get my right hand side equal to 0 first, and I will say what? I will convert this equation into 7x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. How many of you are clear with this? Got it? First and foremost, I will be writing my equation in this form. Now you can see guys that this equation actually is in the general form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where your right hand side is still 0. Okay, now if you compare, I told you that I will be picking up my ABC with sign. Let's pick up your ABC with sign. So your A will be what? Your A will be equal to plus 7, your B will be equal to plus 3, and your C will be equal to minus 4. How many of you got this? Are we clear with this or not? You got the point, guys? I'm telling you, every time I will be picking up my coefficients of x, y, I mean your a, b and c, always and always I will be picking up with sign. Okay, हमेशा मैं with sign उनको pick करूँगा. So my a will be plus 7, my b will be plus 3, and my c is minus of 4. Are we clear with this or not? How many of you got this? Any doubts? Any doubt if you are having, please tell me. Krupa, are we clear with this? Shweta, are we clear with this? Archie, are we clear with this? Then Pratmesh, what about you? Vedant, what about you? Kashish, what about you? Everyone got this, guys? Are we clear till here? You got it? Correct? Okay, let's move forward. Now, if I give you one more example, okay, so let's take this example. This is my general form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, and the question that I'm giving to you is this one. You have minus of 4x minus of 3y equal to minus 7. Okay guys, if you are talking about this equation, please focus everyone, and उसके बाद फिर मैं आपको questions दूंगा करने के लिए. So if I'm talking about this question right now, all of you can see that if I convert this into my general form, so I will be having minus 4x minus 3y, okay, minus 7 को इधर लेकर आऊंगा तो plus 7 equal to 0. Now can you tell me what is your a, b and c? Everyone guys, come on, say it with me. What is your a, b and c? If you see, your a is nothing but minus 4. Clear? Got this? Everyone clear with this? If you focus, your b is what? Your b is nothing but minus 3, taking this with sign. And if you focus, your c is nothing but plus 7. Are we clear with this or not? Everyone got this till here? Makes sense to everyone out there? Clear? So I can say a is minus 4, I can say b is minus 4, and I can say c is plus 7. Yes or no? Everyone tell me quickly. Got the point till here? You got it? Everyone clear with this or not, guys? Please tell me. Everyone got it? Clear? Okay. Similarly, guys, if I give you any other example, so let's say this is my example. So let's say if I give you this one, minus of 5x plus 4y is equal to 2. Now can you tell me what is your a, b and c? The question is on you guys. Come on, tell me what is your a, b and c? What is going to be your a, what is going to be your b, and what is going to be your c? What is your a, b and c? Come on guys, try this out. Tell me what is your A, B and C. What do you think? Okay, so A is -5. That's cool. What about B? So if you focus over here guys, B is +4 and what is C? C is -2, right guys? If you focus over here, so what you're talking about, if you convert this in the general form, so you will be having -5x, okay, then you will be having +4y, okay, then you will be having -2 equal to 0. Now if you compare this with your ax plus by plus c equal to 0, here your a will be what? Your a will be -5, your b will be what? Your b will be 4 and your c will be what? -2. Are we clear with this or not? Okay, very good, got it. Now okay guys, let's talk about one more question because we have just 1 hour to discuss. So now let's talk about the next scenario that we have. अगर मैं आपसे बोलूं that you have 5x equal to 1. Now can you tell me what is your a, b and c? Your a, b and c. What will be your a, what will be your b and what will be your c? Everyone guys, come on, tell me. You have your 5x equal to 1. That's all. What is your a, what is your b and what is your c? Everyone tell me guys, what is your a, what is your b and what is your c? Okay, a5, then what is your b? And what is your c? Exactly guys, when I will be talking about this, please focus. When I will be talking about this, what will I do? I will write it in this way. मुझे इसको general form में लिखना है, so I will be writing 5x minus 1 equal to 0. So first and foremost I made what? First and foremost I made my right hand side equal to 0. After that guys, if you see, a is the coefficient of x, b is the coefficient of y and c is the constant term. अब अगर मैं इसको उस फॉर्म में लेकर जाऊंगा तो I will have to introduce my y. और वो कैसे introduce करूंगा? I will write 5x because there is no term of y, so I will say 0y. 5x plus 0y minus 1 equal to 0. This is how I will write. इस तरीके से मैं इसको लिखूंगा. And from here now you can compare that your a is what? Your a is nothing but 5. Your b is what? Your b is nothing but 0. And your c is what? Your c is nothing but -1. How many of you are clear with this now guys? Please tell me. Are we clear with this? You got the point? Your a is 5, b is 0 and c is -1. Yes or no? Are we clear with this? You got it? Correct? No, it's not. B is not -1, b is 0 because b is taken as the coefficient of what? B is taken as the coefficient of y, so b will be what? B will be 0. Are we clear with this? You got it? Everyone clear with this guys? Got the point? Correct? Now let's move forward. अब चलते हैं आगे. So guys, next thing that I would like to ask you is this one. Please tell me everyone. Sanchika, Krupa, Shweta, Archie, everyone please focus over here. When we are clear with this, now guys, the point is, if I have any equation, let's say 2x plus 3y equal to 0. And if I have any equation, let's say 2x minus 4 equal to 0. Can you tell me the value of x over here? Can you tell me the solution of this equation? What is the solution of this equation? What will be the value of x? Can you tell me guys? What will be the value of x over here? Everyone guys, come on, tell me. What will be the value of x over here? So if you focus, what you will do, you will say, sir, 2x is equal to 4, and from there you can say that, sir, x equal to 2, correct? So you got your x equal to 2. This is the solution of this equation. Correct? Got it? This is the solution of this equation. यानी कि देयर इज ओनली वन सॉल्यूशन टू दिस पर्टिकुलर इक्वेशन जो वन वेरिएबल में है। अब अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि ये जो इक्वेशन आपको दे रखी है, how many solutions will there of this particular equation? How many solutions will this equation have? Can you tell me? How many solutions will this equation have? Guys, the question is very straight. I just want to know how many solutions will this equation have, that's all. How many solutions will be there of 2x plus 3y equal to 0? What do you think? Sanchika says infinite solutions. What about others? What about others, guys? So if you focus exactly, whenever I'm talking about any linear equation in two variables, I will be getting infinitely many solution. How? Please focus. मेरी बात सुनो. Solution क्या होता है? Solution is nothing but the value of variables जो कि आपकी equation को satisfy करता है. Solutions are nothing but the value of variables जिससे कि आपका लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड इक्वल आ जाए. जैसे कि यहाँ पर आपने x2 निकाला, अब अगर आप x2 यहाँ पुट करोगे तो आपका लेफ्ट हैंड साइड भी राइट हैंड साइड की तरह जीरो आ जाएगा. ठीक है भाई, बात समझ में आई? अब चलते हैं आगे. यानी कि अगर मैं बात करूं 2x plus 3y equal to 0 की, जरा इसकी बात करते हैं डिटेल में. What I'm having is this. If you focus, I'm having 2x plus 3y equal to 0. This is what I'm having, correct? Now in this, guys, what I'm doing is मैं x को 0 लेता हूं. जब मेरा x 0 होगा, कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट विल बी माय y? निकाल के देखते हैं. x को इसमें 0 पुट करा हमने, सो पुटिंग x 0 आई हैव 2 टाइम्स ऑफ 0 प्लस 3 टाइम्स ऑफ y इक्वल टू 0, which means 3 times of y equal to 0, which means y is equal to 0 upon 3, that is 0. यानी कि जब मेरा x 0 है तो मेरा y भी कितना आ गया? मेरा y भी उस टाइम पे 0 आ गया. Are we clear with this or not, guys? Come on, tell me. Everyone got it till here? When your x is 0, your y is also 0. Yes or no? When your x is 0, your y is also 0. Are we clear till here? First point is this. Second is, guys, अगर मैं अपने x को 1 ले लूं तो मेरा y कितना आएगा? Can you tell me? Now putting your x equal to 1, you have 2 times of 1 plus 3y equal to 0, which means you have 2 plus 3y equal to 0, which means 3y equal to minus 2, which means y is equal to minus 2 by 3. तो यहाँ से आपका y कितना आ गया? यहाँ से आपका y आ गया minus 2 by 3. यानी कि जब x 1 है तो y कितना है? minus 2 by 3 है. Okay. Similarly, if I take my x equal to, let's say 2, अगर मैं x 2 लूंगा तो क्या आएगा? देखते हैं. When your x will be 2, your y will be what? 2 times of 2 plus 3 times of y equal to 0. This means 3 times of y equal to minus 4, and this means y is equal to minus 4 upon 3. Are we clear? So from here you got your y as minus 4 by 3. You got this? इसी तरीके से गाइस आप x की अलग अलग वैल्यू पुट कर सकते हो और वो अलग अलग x की वैल्यू के लिए आपके पास एक अलग अलग y आता जाएगा. अगर आप x को 3 पुट करोगे एक और y आएगा. If you put x equal to 5, there will be one more y. If you put x equal to 6, there will be one more y, and so on, so on. Which means you keep on putting the value of x and you keep on getting the new values of y. Other way around, what you can do is you can put the value of y and get the value of x. यानी कि मान लो मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि मुझे y की वैल्यू को 1 पुट करना है और मुझे देखना है कि जब y 1 होगा तो x कितना आएगा. लेट्स चेक दैट आउट. इसको चेक कर लेते हैं. So now if you focus over here, guys, when I will be putting my x equal to what? When I will be putting my y equal to 1 तो क्या होगा? I will be having 2x as it is plus 3 into 1 equal to 0. यहाँ से मेरे पास आएगा 2x equal to 3 और यहाँ से मेरे पास आएगा x equal to 3 by 2, right? So from here I have x equal to 3 by 2. Are we clear with this or not? You got it? Everyone clear with this? यानी कि पॉइंट ये है कि फॉर different values of x, you will be getting different values of y, and for different values of y, you will be getting different values of x. How many of you are clear with this? Please tell me. How many of you got this? Okay, I'm going to tell you this. Hold on. Focus over here. So what I'm saying is this, please focus. My equation was this, ठीक है, मेरा equation ये था 2x plus 3y equal to 0. जब मैं इस equation की बात कर रहा हूँ, कृपा please hold on, understand. If I put my x equal to 0, let's put x equal to 0, so you will be having 2 times of 0 plus 3 times of y equal to 0. Okay, 2 times of 0 is 0 plus 3y equal to 0, which means 3y equal to 0, which means y equal to 0 by 3, and this is nothing but 0. Parul, 0 upon anything is 0. 0 upon any number is 0. So 0 upon 3 is 0, 0 upon 5 is 0, 0 upon 10 is 0, 0 upon 1 is 0, everything is 0. You got it now, Krupa? Krupa clear, Parul clear, Archie clear, Shweta clear, Sanchika clear, everyone clear, guys, got the point? Prathmesh clear, everyone got it? So this is how I will say that my y is 0. Are we clear with this or not, guys? Everyone, you got the point, right? So that's how, if you see, I got multiple values. First value is that when x is 0, y is 0. Second value is when x is 1, y is minus 2 by 3. When x is 2, y is minus 4 by 3. And when x is 3 by 2, y is 1. इसी तरीके से if you keep on putting multiple different values of what, if you keep on putting multiple different values of your x, you will keep on getting different values of y. And इसीलिए हम लोग बोलते हैं, guys, that any linear equation in two variable, so may it be 2x plus 3y equal to 0 or any other linear equation in two variable, this will always have what? This will always have infinitely many solutions. Am I clear with this or not? How many of you got this? And I already told you the way how to find out those solutions. किस तरीके से वो solutions find करने हैं मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया, right? कैसे करेंगे? You will keep on putting the different values of x. You will keep on getting the new values of y. You will keep on putting the different values of y, and you will keep on getting the values of x. Am I clear with this or not? Let's move forward now. Solution of linear equation I already told you किस तरीके से निकालते हैं. जैसे कि यहाँ पर आपके पास एक example है, guys. X plus 2y equal to 6. So we have a question x plus 2y equal to 6. इसमें मुझे क्या करना है, guys? In this linear equation in two variable, I am supposed to find out what? I am supposed to find out 4 solutions. मुझे यहाँ पे 4 solution निकालने हैं. Cool. Hello Ghazi Movie Center, how are you? I need to find out 4 solutions. Got the point, guys? Everyone clear with this till here? I need to find out 4 solutions of this linear equation in two variable. Start करें. I told you that you just need to put the value of x, and for that value of x you will be getting the value of y. Yes or no? Let's do this. So when you're gonna put the value of x, guys, let's start from here. I'm making a chart over here. All of you can see this. This is the chart for my values of x and y, and in this I am having 2 different segments where first one represents my x and second one represents my y, and this is the kind of कहानी that I am having. Are we clear, everyone? You got it? इस तरीके का कुछ कहानी मेरे पास है. अब मैं क्या करूंगा, अलग अलग x की वैल्यू के लिए y निकालूंगा, अलग अलग y की वैल्यू के लिए x निकालूंगा. लेट्स डू दिस. सो व्हेन आई पुट माय x इक्वल टू 0, जब मैं x को 0 पुट करता हूं, व्हाट विल बी माय y, गाइस? लेट्स सी. x is 0 plus 2y equal to 6, which means 2y equal to 6, which means y equal to 6 upon 2, that is 3. इसका मतलब जब मेरा x 0 है, my y will be what? When my x is 0, my y will be 3. Yes or no? You got it? Everyone clear with this or not, guys? Come on, tell me. You got the point? Everyone clear till here or not? You got it? Everyone clear with this? Right? When your x is 0, y will be 3. Let's talk about one more solution. अब मैं क्या करता हूँ, अब मैं अपने y को 0 करता हूँ, देखता हूँ जब y 0 है तो x कितना आएगा. जब मेरा y 0 होगा, guys, so I will be having x plus 2 into 0 equal to 6, and from here what I'll be getting, everyone, guys, come on, tell me. From here your x will be what? Your x will be 6, correct? Because 2 into 0 is 0, x plus 0 is equal to 6, which means x is 6. यानी कि जब y 0 होगा तो x 6 आएगा. Clear? मुझे दो सॉल्यूशन मिल गए, x इक्वल टू 0, y इक्वल टू 3 एंड सेकंड सॉल्यूशन इज x इक्वल टू 6, y इक्वल टू 0. करेक्ट. लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड. In third case, let's do one thing. Let's put your x equal to 2. अब मैं x को 2 रखता हूं, ठीक है. x को मैंने 2 रखा तो क्या होगा गाइस? Yeah, Ashutosh, soon we will be taking the Menti quiz as well. When I will be having my x equal to 2. When I'm having my x equal to 2, what will happen? Please focus. When I'm having my x equal to 2, my y will be what? Let's see. 2 plus 2y equal to 6. It means 2y equal to 4. It means y equal to 2. Your y will be 2. How many of you got this? Clear, guys? Everyone got this? Yes or no? Let's move forward. Now, when you will be taking your y as 1, अब मैं y को 1 put कर रहा हूँ. अगर y 1 होगा तो क्या होता है guys? देखते हैं. When your y is 1, let's put your y equal to 1. So you have x plus 2 into 1 equal to 6. It means x equal to 6 minus 2, that is 4, which means when your y is 1, your x will come out as 4. Are we clear with this, guys? You got it? Everyone got this? Yes or no? Correct. इसी तरीके से let's do one more thing. Now I am taking my x as 4, तो 4 नहीं. Let's take your x as 6. ठीक है, वो भी नहीं, 6 भी हो चुका, 4 भी हो चुका. Give me any number. Let's take your x as 1. x को 1 लिया तो क्या होगा देखते हैं. When your x is 1, guys, what will happen? Please see. When your x is 1, you will be having 1 plus 2y equal to 6, which means 2y is equal to 6 minus 1, which means 2y equal to 5, which means y equal to 5 by 2. Am I clear with this or not? Here you will be getting 5 by 2. How many of you got this? Clear? Make sense to you guys? Yes or no? Please tell me. Everyone clear till here? Got this? Right? Okay, so this is how, if you see, मैं अलग अलग वैल्यू यहाँ पर x की या y की पुट करता जाऊंगा और उसी के कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग मेरे पास अलग अलग वैल्यू x की या y की आती जाएगी. एंड इस तरीके से मैं जितने चाहूँ उतने पॉइंट्स फाइंड कर सकता हूँ, बिकॉज आई नो देयर आर इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशंस. आई नो दैट देयर आर इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशंस ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर linear equation in two variable. Everyone clear with this or not, guys? Everyone tell me. Are we clear till here or not? Everyone got this till here? Everyone saw it, right? So that is how I can find out any number of solutions. मुझे सिर्फ 4 चाहिए तो कोई से भी 4 ले लो. This is the first one, the second one, the third one and the fourth one. Okay, how do we write them down? तो solutions लिखने का तरीका क्या होता है guys, वो भी देख लो. If you want to write down the solution, then what you will write? You will simply write it in this way. So we were getting the solution as what? हमारे पास कुछ solution ऐसे आए थे. Let's say these are the solutions. तो इन चारों solution को मैं कैसे लिखूंगा? x, y के फॉर्म में. So when my x was 0, my y was 3. When my x was 6, my y was 0. तो इन दोनों को मैं लिखूंगा that the solution is 0, 3, x, y and 6, 0. Are we clear with this or not? ये बात किस किस को समझ में आती है? Please tell me very frankly. Everyone got this? Everyone clear with this till here? Got it? Make sense to you? Correct, guys? Clear? Everyone got this or not? Please tell me. और अब एक काम करो फटाफट से, मेरे को ये जो 2x plus 5y है इसके दो सॉल्यूशन दो. फटाफट से मेरे को इसके दो सॉल्यूशन दो. I want 2 solutions of this. I want 2 solutions of this. Quickly give me, guys, 2 solutions of this. Okay, I'll do that, Sanchika. Hold on. Sir, it's not mentioned how many solutions we have to find. Then Parul, it will always be mentioned. हमेशा mention होगा. जैसे कि अगर आप देखो in example 4, it's mentioned find 2 solutions. Okay. In the previous example as well, it was mentioned find 4 different solutions. So it will be always mentioned. हमेशा वो mentioned होगा. और अगर mention नहीं है, यानी कि अगर आपको ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना है अपना इक्वेशन का, तो उस केस में only 2 points are enough. सिर्फ 2 पॉइंट्स आप निकाल लो, 2 पॉइंट से ग्राफ ड्रॉ हो जाएगा, जो कि मैं आपको भी बताऊंगा जस्ट इन द नेक्स्ट 5 मिनट्स हाउ टू ड्रॉ द ग्राफ. कूल? एवरीवन गाइस कम ऑन, डू इट, जल्दी करो फटाफट से. आई वांट 2 सॉल्यूशंस फॉर दिस 2x plus 5y equal to 0. क्विकली डू दिस. Okay, so Archie says, sir, one will be 1 comma 2 by 5. Okay, and the other will be what? 1 comma minus 2 by 5. That's what Parul says. Okay, so understand one thing. देखो, if I want to find out the solution, what is my agenda? मेरी कोशिश क्या रहेगी? मेरी कोशिश रहेगी कि मैं सिंपलेस्ट से सिंपलेस्ट सॉल्यूशन निकालूं, मुझे कम से कम कैलकुलेट करना पड़े, राइट? तो मोस्टली गाइज हम लोग क्या करते हैं, जब भी मुझे सॉल्यूशन निकालने होते हैं तो मोस्टली हम क्या करते हैं, सबसे सिंपलेस्ट सॉल्यूशंस होते हैं कि पहले x को 0 रख दो और y निकाल लो, और फिर y को 0 रख के x निकाल लो। ये सबसे सिंपलेस्ट सॉल्यूशन होते हैं। तो जब भी आपको सॉल्यूशंस निकालने हैं, सबसे पहले आप ये दो सॉल्यूशन निकालोगे। x को 0 रख के यू विल फाइंड आउट y, एंड y को 0 रख के यू विल फाइंड आउट x। अगर मैं वही चीज यहां पर करूं, तो जब मैं यहां पर x को 0 रखूंगा तो क्या होगा, देखो 2 टाइम्स ऑफ 0 प्लस 5 टाइम्स ऑफ y इज इक्वल टू 0, which means what? Which means I am having what? I am having 0 plus 5y is equal to 0, which means y is equal to 0 upon 5, that is 0. यानी कि जब मेरा x 0 है, मेरा y भी 0 आ गया। Are we clear with this? You got the point, yes or no? Clear guys? When my x is 0, my y is also 0. पहला सॉल्यूशन ये आ गया। दूसरे सॉल्यूशन की अगर बात करूं, देखो अगर y 0 रखूंगा तो x भी 0 आ जाएगा, तो ये दोनों सेम सॉल्यूशन हो गए, तो इसलिए मैं इसको सॉल्यूशन नहीं मानूंगा, मुझे डिफरेंट सॉल्यूशन चाहिए होता है, राइट? दूसरे केस में मैं बोलूंगा दैट व्हेन योर x इज लेट्स से 1, जब x 1 है तो क्या होगा, जब यहाँ पर x को 1 पुट करूंगा तो आई विल बी गेटिंग 2 into 1 plus 5y equal to 0. This is equal to 5y equal to minus 2, and from here you will be getting y equal to minus 2 by 5. यहाँ से आपका y आ गया minus 2 by 5, yes or no? And you will simply write it as y is equal to minus 2 by 5. Are we clear with this or not? How many of you got this? किस किस को ये क्लियर है गाइस? You got the point? ओके, तो दो पॉइंट की जहां तक बात है, दो सॉल्यूशन मेरे को मिल गए। पहला सॉल्यूशन क्या है? Sanchika, please focus over here now. How do we write solution? First is 0 comma 0, okay, and second is what? Second is 1 comma minus 2 upon 5. Are you clear with this or not? You got this point or not? Clear? Okay, so first, so that's how we write down the solutions. We always write them in the form of x comma y, the value of x and the value of y. So it is 0 comma 0, and it is 1 comma minus 2 upon 5. How many of you are clear with this? Please tell me. Everyone got this or not? Everyone clear with this? How we did this, right? So that's how we can simply find out what? We can simply find out our solutions, correct? Now the next thing that we have is, guys, about how to plot it on the graph. अगर मुझे यही solution को graph पर plot करना है तो मैं कैसे करूँगा? Okay, let's talk about this. Okay guys, so let's say if this is what I have, x plus 2y equal to 6, and if I want to plot it on the graph. So always remember, whenever you are having linear equation in two variable, every linear equation in two variable represents a straight line on the graph. Always remember that every linear equation in two variable represents a straight line on the graph. Are we clear? I repeat, every linear equation in two variable represents a straight line on the graph. And now how to draw that straight line? उस straight line को draw कैसे करेंगे देखते हैं। बहुत सिंपल तरीका है उस straight line को draw करने का। मैं simply इस point पर lie करने वाले points निकालूंगा, इस equation को satisfy करने वाले points निकालूंगा। When my x is 0, my y is 3. When my x is 2, my y is 2. When my x is 4, my y is 1, and when my y is 0, my x is 6. ये मेरे पास इतने सारे पॉइंट आ गए। क्लियर? गॉट दिस? मुझे इतने सारे पॉइंट्स नहीं चाहिए गाइस, आई जस्ट वांट 2 पॉइंट्स। मुझे अपनी कोई भी लीनियर इक्वेशन को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए आई जस्ट नीड 2 पॉइंट्स। लेट्स टेक दोस 2 पॉइंट्स। आई एम टेकिंग दिस पॉइंट 0,3 एंड दिस पॉइंट 6,0, क्योंकि ये सिंपलेस्ट पॉइंट्स है। ठीक है, अब जरा इनको प्लॉट करते हैं। दिस इज माई y एक्सिस, this is my x-axis, this is y, this is x, this is x dash, this is y dash. Am I clear? You got the point? Everyone clear till here? This is your origin 0 comma 0. Clear? Got it? Make sense? Now let's move forward. First point is 0 comma 3. This is my first point, 0 comma 3. 0 comma 3 point will be here. If you see, this is your 0 comma 3 point. Am I clear? 0 comma 3. Got this, guys? Clear? Now next thing if you see is 6 comma 0. 6 comma 0 will be somewhere here. यहाँ पर कहीं होगा आपका 6 comma 0. Yes or no? Are we clear with this? Now if you want to represent this equation graphically, you simply need to join these points. ये दो points को आपको join करना है. जैसे ये दो points को join करोगे, मान लो ये point यहाँ पर है, ऐसी कुछ line बनेगी. Correct? This is nothing but x plus 2y equal to 6. How many of you got this? How many of you got this? So whenever you want to represent your linear equation in two variables on the graph, whenever you want to represent your linear equation in two variables on the graph, what do? Whenever you want to represent your linear equation in two variables on the graph, you simply find out any 2 points. You simply find out any 2 points which are lying on your which are satisfying your equation. Once you have those 2 points, you are gonna plot those 2 points on the xy plane. Okay, you will be plotting your 2 points on the xy plane. Once you plot those 2 points on the xy plane, you can join those 2 points, and once you join those 2 points, you can say that this is the required line that I am talking about. How many of you are clear with this? Okay, so always and always and always remember, guys, every linear equation in two variable represents what? Represents a straight line on the graph. Everyone clear with this or not, guys? Please tell me. Everyone got this point till here? सबको समझ में आ गया क्या बोला मैंने, क्या बताया आपको? Everyone got this? Parul, Krupa, Ghazi, Archie, Sanchika, Shweta, and then we have Ashutosh, then we have Prathamesh, Niranjana. Everyone clear, guys? Right? That is how we talk about our linear equation in two variable, which always represents a straight line on the graph. Now, if anyone, guys, who is interested in taking up the subscription, I would like to repeat the same thing, that you can use my code SG08 if you have not got the Unacademy Plus subscription, and you can take Unacademy Plus subscription. Using that Unacademy Plus platform, guys, you will be able to attend the classes every day. So we have already covered these topics, linear equation in two variables, but soon we will be having one more course on this. So if anyone who would like to have a continuous access of this course, who would like to learn continuously on an academy platform, you can get your plus subscription today by using this code, and you will be able to get 10% discount. And दूसरी चीज, no, so this is a special class, a special YouTube session, Parul. So we will not have a class tomorrow, but if you want to have continuous classes, you can download Unacademy Learning app. आप Unacademy Learning app download कर सकते हैं, because on Unacademy Learning app we have classes every day. Okay, उस एप्लीकेशन पर हम लोग रोजाना क्लासेस लेते हैं. So we have class every day, so you can download that. Got it, guys? And all of you who are saying about the Menti quiz, yes, soon I will be taking the Menti quiz as well, the live Menti quiz on YouTube. Apart from that, guys, Unacademy Learning application पर भी हम लोग स्पेशल क्लासेस शेड्यूल करते हैं, जिसके लिए आपको सब्सक्रिप्शन नहीं चाहिए होता है. Krupa, my next lecture is at 6:15 on an Unacademy platform. At 6:15 I am having my next lecture. Okay, so you can download Unacademy Learning app, and वहाँ पर we will be having a rapid fire quiz soon. एक rapid fire quiz हम लोग रखने वाले हैं linear equation in two variables पे, तो वो आप attend कर सकते हैं if you have Unacademy Learning app. Okay, cool. So that is all from my side, guys. Thank you so much for being here, and let me tell you one more thing, that जो हमारा next session होने वाला है वो होने वाला है अब, yeah, so next session on YouTube, next YouTube session will be here, that you can see. Next YouTube session will be on 13th of August at 1 p.m. and we will be discussing questions based on triangles from R.D. Sharma. Okay, in that lecture, guys, we will be discussing questions based on triangles from RD Sharma, and at 1 p.m. on 13 August we will be meeting. So all of you can set up the reminders in your संचिका। एक्चुअली क्या होता है कि ये वाईटी सेशन है, ये स्पेशल क्लास है, ठीक है। अगर आपको कंटिन्यूड कोर्स चाहिए तो उसके लिए यू विल हैव टू बी ऑन अनअकैडमी, बिकॉज अनअकैडमी पे हमारा पूरा एक कंटिन्यूड कोर्स होता है जहाँ पे कि हमारे पास मल्टीपल सेशंस होते हैं, डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशंस होते हैं, क्विजेज होते हैं, एंड पूरे एक प्रॉपर स्केड्यूल के अकॉर्डिंग एक प्रॉपर वे में हम लोग पूरा टॉपिक कवर करते हैं। कूल। So this is going to be my next class, guys, on triangles. You all can join us over there, and that's all from my side, guys. Take care, goodbye, have a great day ahead. Okay, bye guys, take care.